How to make charts smaller on TradingView. Do you guys want to make a chart smaller on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this price scale. Just drag it down. Now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see your timeline. Again, repeat the same process, drag it to the right side, and that's it guys. That's how we're gonna make charts smaller on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.